guys, welcome back to Rich Tricks. Today we're going to be talking about best referral programs to make money in the year 2024. Of course, you could make up to $175 per referral. Isn't that cool, guys? Now, welcome to Rich Trick, the channel where we teach you how to make money online and live the life of your dreams. Now, without wasting your time, let's get started. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, so whenever we drop beautiful videos like this, you'll be one of the first few people to get started. Now, the first referral program we're going to be talking about today to make up to $175 in referral is Share Sale. Now, let's go over and check what Share Sale has to offer. Now, Share Sale is an affiliate network. And how do you think they grow new merchants sign up with them on an affiliate platform? Share Sale helps people create content and make more money online through their affiliate platform, affiliate network. And each referrals could earn up to the tune of $150 each. Isn't that cool, guys? Now, all you need to do is to make the introduction if you know how to do a business. That means you have to just introduce someone to Share Sale, someone you know that's interested in an affiliate platform. Introduce them to Share Sale, and you can make up to $150 each. And it's worth remembering that you can also make lots and lots of money on Share Sale on its own without even referring anyone. Now, let's go over to Share Sale. It's pretty easy, although I have an account on Share Sale, so because of that, we're going to be using let's use a different browser, and let's go over to Share Sale. Now, this is Share Sale. Creating an account on Share Sale is pretty easy. If you want to get started, you just come right here to sharesales.com. Then you click on the sign up button, and you're going to get three options, which is the merchant sign up, agency sign up, and affiliate sign up. So we want to become an affiliate because to make money on Share Sale, it has to be an affiliate account. So we're going to be selecting an affiliate sign up. And after this, we're just going to create it the normal way you create an account. You create a Facebook account and every other thing. You put in a username, you create a password, you confirm your password, you put in your country, and you simply click next to get started. It's pretty easy to create a Share Sale affiliate account. Now, all you have to do is to fill all this up. Click next step and go over, and that's how. And you can start making up to $150 on Share Sale. This is my Share Sale account. I just created it, and I've obviously tried to refer 3 people, and once they get accepted onto the platform, I'm going to start making money on them. And the reason why I want to show you this account is not because of the referral. It's because you can also make lots of money on this platform because it's an affiliate marketing network. As you can see, they've got lots of missions, which you can click Join Mission to see what the mission is providing, the kind of business they're doing, and see if you can also introduce other people to this business and also make money. Now, take a look at this. Dental, the best dental plan on the market, and it simply have the commission of 50% on every sale, which means if you introduce someone to this product and they buy anything from this particular company, you get to earn $50 minimum on that particular sale. Isn't that cool, guy? Yeah. Now let's go over to the next one on the list. The number 2 of the platform where you can refer and make up to $175 online per each referral is Fiverr. Let me put on Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is an online marketplace where you go if you need a service and you get your service done from freelancers to clients. So Fiverr.com is an online marketplace that simply brings freelancers to clients. So they bring the clients to a freelancers that need their services. And as you can see, this platform, they've got from programming to graphics to digital marketing to writing translation to video animation to AI services to music audio businesses, consulting, and many more. Logo design, SEO, architecture, interior design, social media marketing, voiceover, and lots more. All you have to do is to come right here can create an account with Fiverr.com and start referring. Now, Fiverr.com is an online marketplace, like I said earlier, and they've got lots and lots of buyers on the platform, and the referrer pays 10% of the qualifying purchase amount from each successful referrer, which is up to $100 in Fiverr credits. So referrer can earn up to $500 in credits through the program. So we simply mean you can make up to $500 if the person you refer keeps giving you 10% discount, which is if the person got a service that is up to around $1,000 or $5,000, you could still make up to $500 as a 10%, even with your $100 Fiverr credits. Isn't that cool, guys? I know it's cool, I know. Now, sign up on Fiverr, just have to go to fiverr.com/referrals start program. Please don't worry, guys. Check the description below. We'll be dropping this link in the description below. And don't forget, guys, if you're just joining us for the first time, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, so whenever we're dropping beautiful videos like this, you'd one of the first few people to get started, watch our videos, and start making money online. So if I click on this link, just come right here and create an account. As you can see, they'll get 10% off their first order, which simply means whoever you are referring to the platform is also going to get 10% off their first order. And you can also earn up to $500 in Fiverr credit and up to $100 from each referrer. Isn't that cool, guys? It is really cool. You just come right here, create an account, and get started. Right here to the affiliate program, click on it, join now, create an account, put in your email, put in a password, and you could just get started and start making money through the referral option. As you can see, it's pretty easy. With your first name right here, your last name right here, your email address, your username, the password right here, account type, you're just going to come right here and choose the private. Then you're going to come right here, main source of traffic. Of course, you can choose yes, so for them to know where you're making your money from. Then right here, you're just going to type in where you get into traffic from, which is referral. Just say referral from families and friends and social medias. Put it right here. Put in your social media account right here. If you want to put in a URL, it's pretty easy. And you can also come back here and choose no. It's also allowed, so it's no big deal. But make sure you put in your Skype right here, and the country is very, very important. Select your country right here and click next, and that's how to create the Fiverr account. Now, don't forget, guys, before we go to the last one, guys, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, so whenever we drop beautiful videos like these on how to make best referral programs and how to make up to $175 per referrer, you can be one of the first few people to get started and watch our videos. Now, the last but not the least for today is Payoneer. Now, a lot of people know Payoneer as a way of getting paid from several online platforms like Marketplace, like whatever you could call it. But Payoneer is more than that. And of course, we find someone to Payoneer could make you lots and lots of money, starting from $25 each. Right here at Payoneer.com, you can see how do you pay and get paid globally. So which means someone you know or work with thinks you could benefit from Payoneer by referring you and the referral links. So which means after you receive up to $1,000 or equivalent in any currency, you and your referrer would get 25 USD. Isn't that cool? Now, this is not just for you, the referrer. It's the referee you also get, which means if you refer your friend, you can also turn out after they make $1,000, they're also going to get 25 USD. So it's not just you. They are also going to get 25 USD. And don't forget, check the description below. They'll be dropping the link right down in the description below, so you just have to get started. We are going to make 25 USD from these, and you also are going to make 25 USD after making up to $1,000 on the platform. So just come right here, click Get Started, and create an account. It's pretty easy, guys. Now let's go over and click Get Started. Let's click Get Started, and all you have to do is to create it, put in your email address, your password, and you're good to go right here. Put in your first name, your last name, your number, your email, your business name if you have one. If you don't have one, just put in your name. Then right here, put in your website, put in your country, and then tell us more about your business. Of course, you could put it, and the business structure you're doing. If you're not a business, just put in personal right here, or sole proprietor. No, not registered. Yeah, registered as a sole proprietor, but most time you could just choose this, not a registered freelancer or sole trader. So they're not going to ask you for a lot of, they're going to be asking you for a company details and so on and so forth. So just put receive payment from Brute, ear and Brute plans. Or you could just select payment from family and friends. Either of the two, just select one of the two, then select these two options. Right here, estimate, you could just put in 5,000 USD or 500 to 5,000 USD per month. That should be enough to just click these two options and click next, and you are good to go. And if you already have a period account, it's pretty easy. Just go over and check where you can refer friends and start making $25 on each process. Now, that will be all for today, guys, and how you can make up to $175 per referral online in the year 2024. Now don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. Smash the bell icons. Whenever we do beautiful videos like this, you will be one of the first few people to get started and watch our videos. Now this is not a goodbye to Rich Trick, guys, but it's a goodie. Stay tuned to our next video too. We see you again. Bye bye, guys.